In this video, we show you how to change the battery in the foot control. The system detects a low battery and reports it to the user interface of the dentist element. Switch the treatment center off at the main switch on the dentist element before changing the battery, so no unwanted functions are triggered. Move the adjustable feet outward slightly by rotating them. Open the battery cover. Pull the battery out of the battery compartment by pulling the cloth strap and replace it with a new one. Be careful to insert it with the correct polarity. Close the battery cover and move the adjustable feet back. After inserting the battery, pay attention to the status of the LED. The yellow LED on the foot control indicates the battery charge level after the battery is inserted. If the LED lights up for approximately 10 seconds after insertion without flashing, the battery is okay. If the LED flashes after insertion, the battery is too weak. Please insert a charged battery. If the LED does not light up after insertion, the battery is dead and must be replaced.